Hello traders, FpC&x here. Today is Sunday, April 30th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of Friday, and the pound yen came in number 3, so we're going to do a quick recap from the daily down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link to find out more information about that can be found up here in the corner. So there was a big move up on all the yen pairs on Friday. I think all that really does is prove even more that we really are in the middle of a big wave 3 on the weekly and on the monthly time frames, and that we definitely want to continue to look for longs in an uptrend, especially on shorter time frames. So let's head down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, very clear pattern here. In hindsight, you can see one wave down A, corrective up B, another wave down C, very impulsive move up, break of structure on the shorter time frames. That was definitely the end of a correction. Looks like we're in a 1, 2, and 3 right now. I would expect price to go up and break this high, so if you do see any more pullbacks, especially on the shorter time frames, those are the entries that I'm going to look for the continuation of this uptrend. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, way down here is where you would have seen that break of structure that showed us that this was the end of a trend for the wave C. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1, probably an ABC of 2, and we are still in a wave 3. Now, I'm sure there's going to be some pullbacks along the way, which, like I always say, is excellent for us because at the end of these pullbacks is where we can look for more long entries in an uptrend. For the continuation of it is probably a big wave 3 on the much longer time frames. Like I always say, higher time frames are telling us the trend is up. Shorter time frames, we're just going to continue to look for pullback entries for the continuation of that higher time frame trend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.